Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
You in it?
Yeah.
Bit of wood in the forest. You could be like the Grinch in there then. Are you actually starting to cheer up?
No.
I'm loving this. Jump! Whoa!
You're getting a wang wang.
A wang wang, mate. Love a good wang wang.
Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro.
Well, after we kind of headed down there, and I think that literally must get thinner, and it had those kind of steps and slaty. Looks like we kind of crossed onto an end of the road and onto a footpath. So we're going to keep taking the bikes, we're going to head down and we're going to see if we can find anything else this way. There's a few trails that go off to the right. Ideally find this old quarry or something like that. But hey, what a blast. The bike turned round in literally the really tightest space. So we're going to keep heading on, see what else we can find.
Byway open to all traffic, yes.
There we go. That's what we're after. Look at that.
This is better.
It's doing it again, mate. The Himalayan's doing it again. Just loving it. Just mows. It's like a dream to ride off-road this bike. I don't think I've ever had anything really over probably a 250 that's felt this good,
Right.
off-road wise.
Steep down here, so let's just on a gate.
And let me know when you open it.
Okay, you just hang there. Be as quick as I can, laddie. Right, and the gate's open.
Coming down. Just tell me if you miss me, because I'm here. You're like, slam it on him, slam it on him, slam it on him, slam it on him. Every time I try and stop, I stop in the bit. And the one thing about the Himalayan is the send stand feels to me quite tall. So, oh, you done it? I just got off to do it. Mate, wow. Wow, 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 look at that. I can see the quarry.
Oh, wow, 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 wiki, wow, wow.
Wiki, 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 wow, wow.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, mate. Oh, mate. The Lake District has a lot to offer, doesn't it, for these kind of little traily, stony off-roading.
Yes, more so.
If anybody wants to get used to a bit of it, this is the place to come, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because you'll definitely be down for gravel and stony riding by the end of it. Walkers ahead. I'm not sure if they're in leotards or not, so be careful. Whoa! Front rail.
But are they going to open the gate?
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks very much.
Mwah.
They did look happy with us.
Oh, they can go stuff it up their arse and smoke it for breakfast. We felt like have a bit of second down here. Let's do it. Oh look, there's your new place you can live.
Stream. Oh yeah, that'll do, mate.
You in it?
Yeah.
Bit of wood in the forest.
Do upper.
You could be like the Grinch in there then. Well, we've just finished doing that little bit of track, and to be fair, it was really enjoyable with some awesome views. So what we're going to do now is we've basically come onto tarmac where there's some houses. So we're going to head down here and then see what else that we can find. Psychic, are you having fun yet?
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Are you actually starting to cheer up?
No.
No, you're still miserable. Last day, miserable blues, hangry. It's good company, honestly. I'd recommend taking him anywhere. My bike has done 986 miles, so I'm not far now from the 1,000 when I want to do my 1,000-mile review to talk about the things that I like about this bike and a couple of things that are being an issue.
Yeah.
Well, look, we can just pull in here and walk over there.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to park here. So we've just found another cool little gem. Basically, we've got a lot of climbers going down into a quarry. It looks like there's to be some kind of mine going in there. So we just thought we'd have a quick look. But to be fair, today I haven't brought my rope, so I won't be going down. I actually wouldn't do it. But it does look really cool at the bottom. They're having a swim and stuff like that. And it's just, you know, kind of thing you just come across. And if we hadn't done that trail, we would never have found this. So it's just quite a cool thing to come across.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm wrong. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times.
Well, Psychic, that was a nice little gem find. Those, like, climbers have got some guts. I don't think I'd do it.
Yeah, no, it's looked good fun, didn't it? Wouldn't mind giving it a go. But yeah, right down the end of that track where, you know, judging by this road, you wouldn't think anybody'd be up there, would you? But
No, to be fair, you wouldn't. But I'd only go down that rope into that, like, quarry if someone paid me lots of money. I wouldn't do it for fun. But I would do it if I got paid.
I'd give it a go.
Well, what's our plan next? We're heading down this beautiful wooded road again, and we're going to see if we can pick up another lane or find a pub, one or the other.
Yeah, but no, we're going to go down this road, back out to the main road, and then there's another road that runs parallel to this, but runs back in that way, which we might be able to pick up another lane when we get to the end of. So, again, we're just meandering around, just trying to see what we can find.
Yeah, little poodle through. So far, so good. Nice chilled out riding day.
Yeah.
With pretty sights and good company for you.
No.
Well, we've come up with a new plan. We've just seen some off-road 4x4s bombing it along this road. So we've pulled in, let them go by. Now we're going to follow them, because that should take us to pure gold.
Yeah, because obviously they know where we're going. We're kind of guessing a bit, aren't we? So these guys are all clearly set up to go and do some green laning, so it makes sense. They obviously know where they're going. We don't. Let's go and follow them.
And their 4x4s at the moment are really clean. That indicates that they're
going to get dirty.
They're going to get dirty, yeah. So that, for us, is our answer to the question, isn't it?
Yeah.
If not, we're just following random 4x4 people.
It could go wrong, but let's just see how it goes. Thank you.
See if these get going. Thank you.
I need to be up.
Yeah, me too, I'm up.
I don't want to get too close to this 4x4 though.
Let's let them back off a bit, so I've got a bit of oomph. Here we are, buddy.
Yeah, it worked.
They've gone off-road, and so have we.
So we'll just follow them for a bit and see where they go.
Well, this looks already a bit gnarly, doesn't it?
Let's just hope that they don't...
Stop for a cup of tea.
Yeah.
Or a sandwich.
Let's hope not.
Or a Jaffa cake.
Oh, it looks good. Right, let's back off a bit because I'm going to need to give it some beans up here. Right, let's go. Just keeping her plodding along. It's only in first gear. A little bit of throttle. Oh, Aprilia. Oh, Peggy.
To be fair, the Himalayan's just sorry, I'm not swear. The Himalayan is just beautifully doing its thing. What a lovely ride this bike is. In its element on stuff like this.
Yeah. They both are. Oh, look, as it looks like it goes up there. That's going to be interesting.
That's beanage. You got sausages?
I've got a sausage. Have you got the beans?
I got the beans, you got the sausage. We can do this.
We can do the sausage and beans.
Oh, has anyone brought toast? We're just waiting for these 4x4 boys now then.
I don't think they're having a chat up there.
About if they're going to gun it or not.
Discussing tactics.
Alright, what we need to do, boys, is put it into 4th gear, a low drive, okay? Keep your foot planted. First gear, go.
Oh, we've gone through a gate. So we'll shut that. That's what they were stopped for. It's alright, we'll shut it. Right. I'm setting off. I'm coming for ya.
Step it up, Himalayan. The Pegaso stroke pedo bike is on its way.
Come on, Peggy.
I'm gonna have to let these boys go a bit further, you know. I'm too
Catching them.
Yeah, I'm almost up their arse.
Well, we've lost the 4x4s, so we're going to have to go and catch them up.
Nah, I reckon we let them have a bit of a gap and we just enjoy this.
Well, we have given them some gap.
Even more of a gap.
But they could be going to some more epic off-road bits afterwards that we don't know about.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
But I'm loving this. Jump! Whoa!
Jump!
Did you jump?
No, we just did a little bounce. Oh, this looks good. We'll come round here. Alright, let's get it into first. Let's just let a bimble down here. Oh, take.
Yeah, let's let this bimble down here, you're right. Whoa, whoa! I'm not...
A little bit back.
I'm going to lose it. Fuck! Here we go. Whoa! No, I'm good. Bit of rear then, bit of rear, boy. I'm a bit sweaty.
Bit sweaty Betty.
I might have to undo my top again. Let out the layers of sexy muscle fat. Get the ladies going again. It's the problem if I open this, it's sitting it.
Keep going.
I want to undo my jacket.
You haven't got time for that.
Oh, look, he's getting bossy and Mardy. I am going to help you out soon. Push you off the cliff. Can you hear your bash plate getting smashed?
Not getting smashed yet.
And mine's got a few old wang-wangs hitting off of it.
You're getting a wang-wang.
A wang-wang, mate. Love a good wang-wang.
Tonight we're running on the right track.